This public rally is organized by the Kuki Zo women organizations against the brutal killing of our sister Zo Sankhe Maar. And regarding this incident, there has no strict action has been taken. And on top of that, the CRPF along with the police commando, what they did was, instead of protecting or instead of searching who the culprit was, instead they attacked, they retaliated against the Kuki Zo village volunteers. And as we could see in the videos, the pictures, how gruesome, they did not even respect their body. CRPF, their duty is to save their citizens. But here, I don't think so what they have done to our Kuki Zo brothers, they wouldn't do that to their enemies as well. The body, they refuse even for the autopsy. What is the reason? Why did they refuse the autopsy to be taken? Are they trying to hide something regarding the human violation? Because we saw in the videos how they heckled, how the Jawans heckled the bodies, and also we saw how the eyes were being gouged out. Are the Jawans taught this to do to their fellow citizens? And the CRPF, if they could not stand for neutrality, why did they take side? And why did they victimize these minorities men, minorities Kuki Zo village volunteers? And false propaganda has been spreading that they are Kuki militants. No, they are not Kuki militants. They are Kuki Zo village volunteers who are waiting for justice for their sister Zo Sankhe Maar, and the central forces, the CRPF, did not do anything. And instead, they joined forces and attacked our men. We would like the CRPF to back off, to go away. We do not want the CRPF in the Kuki-dominated area. And we would like all those Jawans who were on duties on that particular day, that they should be booked and taken strict action. We want the CRPF to be removed immediately. And we want separate administration, because we can no longer be with the Meitei male who take women's body part as the battlefield. They target the victims, they target the women, and they show their male power against these women, minorities women, tribal women. And we want justice for that. And we do not want to stay with these rapists anymore. That's what we want to say. Separate administration. And this is the first step that we are taking. And if our demand is not being accepted, we will continue to take other major steps as well.